One really important thing that I came across is whenever we are listening to subliminals, just be conscious. I'm back. Hello everyone. So it has been a year of no posting at all. I'm really sorry that I literally vanished away. I would never want to abandon you guys. Trust me. It's a new me, a new channel, and new subliminals. So I'll be posting my results over here, all the results that have had up till now, and we'll be moving on with the video. One really important thing that I came across is whenever we are listening to subliminals, just be conscious. You guys might be like, what do I mean by that? I'll tell you. So as we all know, subliminals work on the subconscious mind, and in my opinion, I guess subconscious mind is a little lame because the results that it brings is very, very slow. And we all know we need fast results. Do we? So I did my research and I came across this one channel, Quasi Johir. I love his channel and I'll put his links down in the description box. And in one of his videos, he talks about how he doesn't like subliminals as they just target the subconscious mind and makes you passive. And I really believe in that. Subliminals are kind of slow. They don't really bring you results fast. The reason is passivity. So what do we need to do? We need to be conscious of our results. Let's take my example. I have been working on getting rid of my nose hump. So whenever I'm listening to my subliminal in which it talks about getting rid of my nose hump, I close my eyes and I consciously visualize that yes, I have got rid of my nose hump. I have an upturned nose, a slim upturned nose tip, and just visualizing it. And you guys might be experiencing that tingly effect whenever you're listening to those subliminals. It amplifies whenever you're consciously visualizing it, that it is happening right now. So you guys need to consciously visualize that, yeah, you're getting those results and you will see the difference. Trust me. The conscious mind is really strong, and the ability of humans to manifest whatever the hell they want is really very much there. What it requires from us is focus. Visualize as much as you can with as much clarity as you can. Hence, you shall be bestowed with your results. And you guys might be asking how to visualize. Genuine question. Well, certainly, visualization is a skill that our brain learns. And the more you do it, the better you get at it. What I want you to do is find a comfortable place, sit back, and close your eyes and just visualize. As in my case, as I want to get rid of my nose hump, I'll be visualizing like so. I'm visualizing that I've got rid of my nose hump, I have an upturned nose tip, and I have a really slim nose. These are all my goals, all my desired goals, and I'm visualizing it right now. And I'll be thinking that these things have already happened right now or are already happening, either in present perfect or present continuous. So that's how I usually visualize, and of course my subliminal is already turned on in addition to visualizing, so it really amplifies my results. You need to try this out, and trust me, using both your conscious and subconscious mind together in order to get your results from the subliminals will really amplify your results and get you fast results. In the comment section below, I want you guys to post any of your questions that you have, because in the future I'll be addressing all of those questions in one video. Also, I want you guys to post your subliminal requests, what kind of subliminals that you want. I definitely will be making more subliminals in the future. So guys, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon in order to get more content from this channel.